What's going on YouTube? It's your boy JD Trades and I'm bringing you another daily outlook. Or market update really. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment and subscribe and turn on your post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. I would like to say a shout out to all the people that joined me on my live stream yesterday. It was really fun. I will be going live tomorrow afternoon, Friday afternoon for NFP. All right, let's take a look at price action and see exactly what's happened. So, yesterday I was talking about how price could potentially close as an engulfing daily candle. However, you can see where price has eventually ended up closing. Okay, so we have in fact closed bullish. This is perfectly fine. It's not really, that big of a problem. Now at the moment we do have, let me go to the line chart. Okay, we have this high, high, low, high, 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 low, high, high. Okay, and we've now broke this most recent low. So at the moment there is potential for dollar to falter where it is. Okay, this is a pretty decent area. We can see there's a little bit of a gap there as well. There's a pretty decent area for dollar to falter come this New York session, and we can potentially target the lows below. Okay, if we don't falter here and we push through, that's perfectly fine. We can look at other areas above. Okay, more specifically these two up candles before we move to the downside. We can look at these two areas for some potential moves. All right, let's take a look at some of these majors. So at the moment, Euro USD, okay, it is in a pretty decent area for some longs. Yesterday we talked about how if price does take out the Asia session high, okay, the Asian range, there's a chance that we may come down and take out the lows, and that's exactly what we did. We've actually taken out liquidity in both directions, to the upside, and we slammed all the way back down to the downside, right? But since then we have created a new high. So off of the back of that, off of the premise of that, okay, I would like to see if price can work inside of this 1 hour candle here and give us a move to the upside. Okay, this is something that you guys should monitor yourselves as well and see how price reacts off of the current price action. So it's very interesting. Of course, we do have high impact news coming out tomorrow, and I do believe we have some today as well. Let me just have a quick look, guys. Okay, so today we have one moment. I'm just gonna go on investing.com really quickly, check that for you guys. Okay, so at the moment we do have PMI data for the pound, which has already come out. We've got ECB interest rate decision today. Okay, 115 UTC plus one. We've got initial jobless claims for the dollar and the ECB press conference. So it's going to be quite the day for the euro, to be honest with you guys. So yeah, it would be interesting to see how price reacts out of this area. Would I take a potential entry knowing that there is some high impact news coming out? No, especially as dangerous as the interest rate. It's a bit tricky because price can rocket out of that area if the technicals line up with the fundamentals. So at the moment for pound dollar, I'd like to see this actually come down into better areas, better discounted areas to take some longs from. Okay, we have also taken out the high with the push to the upside, but right now we're kind of consolidating, kind of ranging at the moment, so we just need to take our time with this one. Okay. Last but not least is going to be on gold. So gold, remember guys, what did I tell you yesterday? Or to be honest, on Tuesday about the current structure that we've had. We've had this low, we've had this high. Okay, we've broke structure ever so slightly, so we did in fact turn bullish. We had a pullback, okay, even though it was a very deep pullback. We've had price rally to the upside. Okay, so I also mentioned in the live stream that this is a pretty decent area where price may look to accumulate from and push to the upside, and this is also where price has rallied off of. I'm pretty sure it's well over. Yeah, yeah, that's a ridiculous amount of pips. Okay, 450 pips there on gold. Okay, we had one more test to the downside off of this 15-minute candle, and we've also pushed up another 400 pips. Okay, now yesterday we did get a lot of manipulation, a lot of wicks. Okay, in both directions to the upside and slamming all the way back down to the downside, but the structure was bullish, so I was pretty firm in my belief in that gold should push up higher. Okay, We in fact also played deep into the daily area and played out at this 4 hour area. So right now we have pushed to the upside and we have completed the setup or the schematic that I was looking for last week. Okay. So with us taking out this high, I would like to see what price does once we test this imbalance here. Okay. I want to see what price does. Can we hold this imbalance and then start to rally up and continue pushing to the upside? That is a potential. Okay. As you can see there on the daily time frame as well. Okay, depending on how today closes, we may get a break above this daily high as well, which is further cementing the bullish price action that we're currently seeing. Okay, weekly has always been bullish, so on the weekly it does look like we are due for a new high if current structure allows us, if current market allows us to do so. So other than that, that's what I'm going to be looking out for the rest of today. Thank you for listening. As always, remember the theory behind the practice. If you haven't dropped a like, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, if you want to join my Telegram group, I will be closing off my Telegram group and making a separate private Telegram group where that private Telegram group will have access to me forever, for life. Okay? So, if that's something that interests you, make sure to check out the description box inside this video. With that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the live stream. Peace.